Now that you're ready to get started with MORI, you need to create an account. In order to create an account, you're going to need to open your web browser. A web browser is a program that allows you to view internet content. We recommend Firefox, but another common browser is Internet Explorer. Once your browser window is open, you'll need to type the address into your address bar. Here are the addresses for all the jurisdictions currently supported by MORI. Take a second and pause the video so you can write yours down. Make sure you write down all the periods, slashes, and colons. Type the appropriate address into your address bar, and that brings you to the login screen for MORI. Real quick, I'd like to make a note here. Since you're going to be logging into MORI on a regular basis, it will make your life a lot easier if you create a bookmark. A bookmark allows you to go directly to a selected page without having to type the address or find a link from another page. So let's take a second and create one. I'm going to do it in Firefox. If you're using Internet Explorer or another browser, the process will be similar. Just refer to your help function if you have questions. Simply go to the menu bar and click on Bookmarks. Then click on Bookmark this page. The name of the page will automatically fill in. If you want, you can change that to something shorter and easier to remember, like MORI. Now let's get back to creating your account. Roll your mouse over Account on the menu bar and select Create Account. You'll need to begin by entering your Grand Lodge number, then your lodge number, and finally, your date of birth. Once you've entered all that information, just click on the Next button. Here you'll be asked to confirm your address. If your address is correct, go ahead and continue. If it's incorrect, contact your Grand Lodge. Once you've confirmed that your address is correct, you need to create a password. Since you'll be handling a variety of data, including Brother's personal information, financial, and Masonic information, you should take care to choose a secure password. Do not choose an easy-to-guess password such as your lodge's name or your own birthday. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and must include at least one letter and one number. Once you've decided on your password, click in the first blank field and type it in. MORI passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you do not have caps lock on and remember any letters that you capitalize. Now confirm your password by tabbing to the second field and typing it exactly as you did the first time. Then click the Create button. Your account has been created. Grand Lodge will mail you a letter which you should receive in a few days. This letter will contain a key that you will have to enter in order to access your account for the first time. If you don't receive the letter within 1 week, contact your Grand Lodge. Once you receive your letter, view our Enter Account Key screencast to learn how to access your account for the first time. Now, before we go, a quick word about error messages. If you accidentally mistype your Grand Lodge number on the Create Account screen, you'll receive an error message such as this. The information that is incorrect will be highlighted with red text beneath it describing the nature of the problem and how to fix it. Simply correct the information and click Next again. When you create your password, you may receive an error if you did not meet the password criteria or if you did not type your password exactly the same way in both fields. If you receive an error when creating your password, make sure you're using at least 8 characters, one number, and one letter, then retype it into both fields and click the Create button again. Now you've created your account. Just wait for your key letter and you'll be ready to get started with MORI.